Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of kicking you out on the application of Hacoo. You will click on settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will scrolling down until you find this application of Hacoo app and you will enter. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you will turn on your airplane mode, and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by a like and subscribe. See you to support us by a like and subscribe.